What's up, traders? It's Trello. Happy Sunday. Welcome back to another daily outlook where I break down the major dollar pairs and gold as well. So we're going to firstly check out the DXY so I can get you to know my bias on the weekly or the daily for the DXY. So right now we have a buy up and then a sell down on the DXY. So a clean supply zone after huge dumps off. The DXY is still bearish in the higher time frames as the daily or the 1 month. So all I'm waiting on the DXY is to basically sweep out these two orders, tap into supply, and then give us some more dump offs to the downside. So my bias on the dollar is going to be bullish, maybe today, tomorrow, and possibly Tuesday. And then for the rest of the week, I expect USD pairs to go ahead and buy. So if we look at USD JPY, I don't have much on USD JPY, not very clean structure. As you can see, USD JPY already tapped into supply. We have a sell down and then a buy up, not really breaking the highs to the left side. As you can see, we have another sell down and then a buy up that did close over the highs to the left side. So USD JPY is missed for right now. So GBP USD is a bit different. Like I said, I am bullish on the dollar at the beginning 2 days all the way to about possibly Tuesday until we tap supply. Hopefully, GBP USD will come down and also tap demand as the dollar's tapping supply. So we have a sell down and a buy up that broke these highs to the left side. So we are bullish on GBP USD. So all I'm waiting on GBP USD is to take out these orders to the downside, tap into demand, and then the dollar should be tapping into the supply. The dollar should be dumping, and if the dollar is getting weaker, GBP USD should rise because it costs more USD to buy GBP. So let's go ahead and look at Euro USD real quick. The same for Euro USD. I also have some nice demand to the bottom side. I did get stopped out last week on Euros USD because the dollar pushed up more into supply as I expected, but that's okay. A 1% stop is fine. So we have a sell down, a clear sell down, and then a buy up, breaking the highs to the left side on Euro USD. I am expecting the dollar to get bullish as the beginning of the week goes, possibly until Tuesday, and then after that, I expect Euro USD to tap into demand, and then the dollar to get weaker. So Euro USD to push because it costs more dollar to buy euro. So in theory, Euro USD would push. Now, if we look at USD CAD, it's a bit different, a new extension that I added, I think, last Thursday. I am looking for USD CAD for this buy up and then sell down, breaking the lows to the left side. So we are bearish on USD CAD. So I am looking for a tap into the supply zone. Now, like I said, if the DXY taps into supply and starts to sell and get weaker, it would cost less CAD to buy USD. So in theory, USD CAD would sell off. Now I am bullish on the dollar until Tuesday, so in theory it would cost more CAD to buy USD. So to get us up here and to tap into the supply range and then sweep liquidity as we go. Now, if we look at NZD USD, also a new pair added. I am looking at the same for NZD USD as all USD pairs. I am expecting to buy USD pairs because I expect the dollar to get weaker after Tuesday. So as you can see, you guys, we have a sell down and then a push up, breaking the highs to the left side on NZD USD. I did try to buy NZD USD last week, but I was a bit too late. So yeah, I'm possibly expecting something like this. Now, I don't have a long position ready on NZD USD because this liquidity to the downside is scaring me. So I will put a pause on NZD USD. And I'm not tripping because I do have those other pairs that are pushing up. I don't know why this says Euro USD. Let's go ahead and fix this real quick. USD like there. So yeah, not too much on NZD USD. I am going to wait on the buys. Now gold. Gold is ready for buys. I love this zone on gold. So as you can see, we have a chop phase going on. Consolidation is what I call a chop phase, a nice consolidation range. Then we have a sell down, then a buy up, pushing up, breaking all the gold's highs to the left side. First confluence is market structure to sell down and buy up. We are bullish, creating a higher high. Second confluence is supply and demand. With this sell down and then buy up, breaking the highs to the left side, we leave perfect demand. And then the third confluence, which is my favorite, which is liquidity, we leave three lows, rejections to the top of our demand zone to the downside. So I am expecting gold to rise. Now remember, I am bullish on the dollar in up until about, let's just say, Monday or Tuesday. So if the dollar rises, in theory, it would cost less USD to buy gold. So gold would then drop down to our demand zone. Now, once the DXY taps into the supply zone area, right here, once the DXY taps into the supply zone area, I expect the DXY to get weaker. So in theory, it would cost more USD to buy gold. So hopefully the gold will tap demand as the dollar taps supply, and then I can take nice gold buys up for a 1 to 2 ratio for a 2 risk to reward. That'll be it on my buy list for the daily.